Good afternoon. Now I'll be doing my screencast presentation for Padlet and my website. So as you can see here, this is Padlet. It's a pretty cool website to gather all type of information that you need, or if you're doing research or anything like that, I think it'd be pretty helpful. In our case, we just use it to gather all the information and projects that we did throughout the semester. So you can see all the different ones here. We started off with a biography and title slide. Just talked about a little bit about ourselves, where we came from, what we're pursuing in school. You can see a little picture here, name tint, just a little name tag that we made for ourselves so everybody knew each other's names, including Miss Debbie. A few other things we did was a podcast. That was really cool to use GarageBand and edit the video, the voice recording, and it was really easy to use. So it was fun to do that. We made a few different movies. So the group movie was probably my favorite assignment. Just worked together to create with iMovie to create a video movie. We walked around campus explaining the different history of the sporting facilities we have here. Made a green screen movie, which is pretty fun. It was actually really easy, surprisingly. I did it about golf, which I love. Um, a few concept maps. You know, I'm gonna go to my website now. So as you can see here, this is Lucas ELRC 3500. Includes all the activities that we completed through the semester. So starting off the biography, like I was talking about, here it is. A little picture of myself, about my plans, my goals, my dreams, a little bit about my personal life. Then we went on to the Flipgrid, which is one of the first things we did in class, which is a quick video posted to the website, kind of just explaining who we are to our classmates, and we could watch our other classmates' videos to just kind of know who we're going to be in class with all year. So that was pretty fun. Then we did the concept maps. We did Bloom's taxonomy. This was kind of just talking about my goals to achieve academic excellence. I wasn't able to complete all these goals, but I think I did a pretty good job. Then we did one about a different company or a different model. So me and a classmate did about Minecraft, which is something we found online. So you can see the concept map there. Then we used Canva and Pinterest and Wakelet and Symbaloo to do a few different things. So right here is the Symbaloo. It was a pretty cool app to bring everything together that we use on the regular. So you see I got Moodle, ESPN, CBS Sports, Uber Eats, just a few different things that I like to use on the daily. I got this Pinterest right here. If you click that, it'll bring you to my Pinterest page, which leads into my Wakelet here, which talks about my Ireland trip that I dreamed to go on one day. So keep on moving on. This is my concept mapped about travel and that Ireland trip I was talking about. So a few different places to stay, to eat, to go have fun. I got a little golf course down here. So hopefully I can go on that trip one day. A quick brochure about Ireland and places to contact and kind of make a plan so you know what you're doing when you get out there. And then all about us. That was the one with me and my classmate Abby. We just made a presentation about where we're from, what our major is, favorite foods, hobbies, friends, and everything like that. So that was pretty fun to meet a new person. I was not able to be there for the keynote slides, so I did not have that, unfortunately. But the blog, we had to create a blog about really whatever we wanted. I'm really big into sports and coaching, so I did about youth coaching and sports. As you can see here, some ideas, some websites to help you out, handling parents, It was pretty cool to see how easy it was to make a blog and something I might be interested in the future. Um, then podcast. So the first one I did was the Vocaroo podcast. That was the voice recording about me and a few classmates read a children's book and took turns. And it was pretty fun because Miss Debbie said we are going to use it for, she was going to show it to, elementary school kids, and they kind of go crazy because, just knowing like a college kid or a college athlete is reading to them is pretty cool in their eyes. So that was fun. And then the really fun one was the one with partners. So here's the link to my road trip junkies is what we called it. I had the same partners as the first podcast, and we just talked about our favorite road trips and everything. That was fun. Did a group movie, really cool. Worked with two classmates to talk about all the sporting facilities. We walked around. It was pretty fun. Mobile app. That was a presentation we made about different apps. We presented them in front of class. So mine was about this app called Promo. The green screen movie. This is it right here. Embedded. Talking about chipping 101. Just the basics of chipping. It was really fun to make that. Padlet. Here it is, embedded in my site right here. And the last one is the screencast, which will go right here when I'm finished. Thank you so much for teaching us, Ms. Debbie. I had a great time this semester, and looking forward to the future. So thank you.